Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15CS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15CS always shows 0% even when charging, you are not alone. This issue usually arises from a faulty battery that fails to communicate the correct charge level to the system. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, such as unexpected shutdowns or even complete battery failure, making your device unusable. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the HP 15CS. Make sure to have these ready before we begin. First, ensure your device is powered down. Begin by removing the screws from the back cover using your Phillips screwdriver. Be careful to keep track of the screws, as they can be of different lengths. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry the back cover off, starting from one corner and working your way around. Once the cover is off, you will see the battery located on one side of the device. The battery is usually connected by a small cable. You will need to disconnect this cable before removing the battery. To do this, gently lift the connector using your plastic tool. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components while doing this. Once the cable is disconnected, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Take your time here, applying firm but gentle pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery and place it into the same slot, ensuring it sits securely. Reconnect the battery cable, making sure it clicks into place. After that, replace the screws to secure the battery. Finally, reattach the back cover of your HP 15CS, align it properly and press down firmly around the edges to ensure it snaps back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, power on your device and check if the battery percentage displays correctly. If it does, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure you use your device regularly and avoid letting the battery completely deplete frequently. Regular maintenance and proper charging habits can extend the lifespan of your battery significantly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.